Hey little coders, what if different animals could talk in Python? Let's see something magical. They are all animals, but they sound different. The dog says woof, the cat says meow. In Python, this is called polymorphism. Each animal has a function called sound, but each one does something different.
Polymorphism means the same action can give different results. Each animal has a function called sound. Each one does something different. Ever heard the term polymorphism and wondered what it really means? Let's break it down in a simple way. In the world of programming, polymorphism means the same action can give different results. For example, think about calculating the area of different shapes. The action is the same, calculate area. But the result for a circle uses a different formula than it does for a square. Same action, different results. And that's the power of polymorphism. It lets objects be flexible and efficient. Simple, right?
Polymorphism means the same action can give different results. Great job, little coder. You learned polymorphism. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to learn more fun coding games.